Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech wonders. Today, we're diving into the world of premium home entertainment with the Sony 75-inch 4K Ultra HD TV X90L series. Let me tell you, folks, if you're in the market for the best 85-inch TV 8K, look no further. While this beauty may not be 8K, it's certainly a heavyweight contender in the world of 4K TVs. First things first, let's talk about picture quality. With the cognitive processor XR at its core, this TV delivers a lifelike viewing experience that rivals even OLED sets. From deep blacks to dazzling brightness, every detail pops off the screen. And speaking of contrast, the full-array LED backlighting, coupled with XR contrast booster, ensures that every scene is rendered with stunning clarity. You'll see details you never knew existed, making movie nights feel like a trip to the cinema. But wait, there's more. Gamers, rejoice! This TV is not just for movie buffs. With HDMI 2.1 gaming features like 4K, 120, VRR, and ALLM, you'll experience buttery smooth gameplay like never before. Say goodbye to screen tearing and hello to victory. Now, let's talk smarts. Powered by Google TV, this TV puts all your favorite streaming apps in one convenient place. And with Google Assistant at your beck and call, finding your next binge-worthy series is as easy as saying the word. And hey, if you're an Apple aficionado, you're in luck. This TV supports Apple AirPlay, so you can effortlessly stream content from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac directly to the big screen. So there you have it, folks. The Sony 75-inch 4K Ultra HD TV X90L series is not just a TV, it's a home entertainment powerhouse. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or simply kicking back with your favorite shows, this TV delivers an experience that's second to none. Don't just take my word for it, experience it for yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy viewing!